After exploring a variety of car meets throughout Southern California, Ralph and I made our way to Subifest, California 2026, held at Santa Anita Park in Arcadia. This annual gathering brings together thousands of Subaru enthusiasts from across the region for an evening dedicated entirely to the Subaru community. The event featured an all-Subaru car show, autocross competition, the AWE Tuning Loudest Exhaust Contest, vendor displays showcasing the latest performance parts and accessories, along with driving demonstrations and professional ride-alongs. Whether you're a longtime Subaru owner or simply appreciate the brand's enthusiast culture, Subifest offers a unique experience centered around one of the most passionate automotive communities in the country. If this year's event sparked your interest, the Subifest series continues across the United States, with upcoming stops including Boxerfest in Pennsylvania, Subifest Midwest in Illinois, Subifest Florida, and Subifest Texas, giving Subaru fans plenty of opportunities to be part of the community wherever they are. Subaru's story actually began long before it became known for rally cars and all-wheel drive. The company's roots trace back to 1915, when it started as an aircraft research laboratory that eventually grew into the Nakajima Aircraft Company, one of Japan's largest aircraft manufacturers during World War II. After the war, the company shifted its focus, producing scooters before 5 separate companies merged in 1953 to form Fuji Heavy Industries, the company we now know as Subaru. Their first prototype car arrived in 1954, followed by the compact Subaru 360 in 1958, which became one of Japan's most successful small cars. Subaru continued to innovate throughout the 1960s with the introduction of its signature horizontally opposed boxer engine. And by the 1970s, it helped pioneer the four-wheel drive passenger wagon in the United States, laying the foundation for the symmetrical all-wheel drive system the brand is famous for today. Throughout the 1990s, Subaru earned worldwide recognition through rally racing with the Impreza, while vehicles like the Outback and Forester became everyday favorites for families and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Today, Subaru continues building on that legacy by combining boxer engine engineering, all-wheel drive capability, and modern technology for a new generation of drivers. Subaru's modification culture has its roots in the 1980s, when the company began experimenting with unique interior designs and driver-focused engineering. Cars, like the 1985 Subaru XT, featured a futuristic digital dashboard, satellite controls mounted to the steering column, and one of the most unconventional interiors of its era. A few years later, the 1992 Subaru SVX continued that trend with its aircraft-inspired window design and upscale cockpit, encouraging owners to personalize their vehicles long before the WRX became a household name. Everything changed in 1992 with the introduction of the Subaru WRX, followed by the WRX-S TI in 1994. These turbocharged, all-wheel drive performance cars became the foundation of Subaru's modern tuning culture. Their success in the World Rally Championship, especially during the mid to late 1990s with drivers like Colin McRae, inspired enthusiasts around the world to recreate the rally look and performance on their own street cars. By the early 2000s, Subaru modification had become a global phenomenon. Owners weren't just adding horsepower through turbo upgrades, intercoolers, ECU tuning, and performance exhausts. They were also transforming their interiors. These STI bucket seats, Momo steering wheels, aluminum pedals, weighted shift knobs, boost gauges, and carbon fiber trim became signature upgrades throughout the community. As technology advanced through the 2000s and 10s, the focus expanded beyond performance. Enthusiasts began retrofitting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto head units, digital displays, upgraded center consoles, Alcantara interior pieces, and LED lighting, blending modern convenience with Subaru's rally-inspired heritage. Today, Subaru's modification scene is one of the largest in the automotive world. Whether it's a meticulously restored GC8 Impreza, a heavily modified WRX STI, a lifted Forester built for overlanding, or a clean BRZ track car, each build reflects more than 40 years of Subaru engineering, motorsport success, and one of the most passionate enthusiast communities in automotive history. As the evening came to a close, Ralph and I wrapped up another unforgettable experience here at Subifest, California 2026. From the incredible variety of Subaru builds to the autocross action, exhaust competition, vendors, and the passionate community, it's easy to see why this has become one of the country's premier Subaru enthusiast events. If you weren't able to make the California event on July 25th, 2026, there are still several opportunities to experience Subifest this year. Boxerfest takes place on September 27th, 2026 at the York Fairgrounds in York, Pennsylvania. Subifest Midwest follows on October 10th, 2026 at Route 66 Raceway in Joliet, Illinois. Subifest Florida will be held on October 24th, 2026 at Freedom Factory in Bradenton, Florida. The series then concludes with Subifest Texas on December 12th, 2026 at Texas Motorplex in Ennis, Texas. Whether you're bringing your own Subaru, showing off a new build, or simply enjoying the atmosphere as a spectator, each event offers another opportunity to experience one of the most passionate automotive communities around. Until the next adventure, thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next event.